This section provides information about Navy ROTC programs at USC. Navy ROTC. What to know about the Navy ROTC program. The Navy ROTC, or NROTC program at USC, has approximately 80 to 100 students whose goal is to commission as officers in the United States Navy or Marine Corps. Students may enter into NROTC programs through their sophomore year. Upon graduation, students have a minimum 5-year active duty obligation. While at USC, NROTC students are part of either the Navy Marine Scholarship Program or the Navy Marine College Program. Each program provides students different benefits and has specific academic requirements. To learn more about the NROTC programs and requirements related to academics, pause the video now and read the following sections of the Navy ROTC Midshipman Guidebook found on the Navy ROTC website in the Current Students section. In addition to the guidebook, USC's NROTC website provides a helpful FAQ section that advisors are encouraged to review. Advising students in the Navy ROTC program. When advising students in the Navy ROTC program, it is important to know the following. Degree Completion Plan, or DCP. Students complete the DCP in their first term, and it serves as a general guideline for on-time graduation. The main purpose is for students to develop a plan with their academic advisor and understand the milestones for degree progression and where Navy requirements fit. Note, the DCP is not as formal or strict as the Army's 104R form. The DCP form can be found on the Navy ROTC website in the Forums area of the Current Students section. It should be reviewed during each advising session and each update provided to the respective Navy instructor. Naval Science Courses. Students are required to complete Naval Science courses, or Navy, for commissioning. Courses do not have to be taken in a specific order, nor is one a prerequisite for the following in a sequence. For example, Navy 201 is not a prerequisite for Navy 202. The only exception is Navy 402, Leadership and Ethics, which must be taken the spring term closest to graduation. A standard course sequence is provided in the example DCP. Naval Science Minor. Most Navy ROTC students elect to complete the Naval Science Minor, as the Navy classes taken for commissioning are included as minor requirements. Required courses. The Navy ROTC Program Curriculum Requirements Checklist should be used to identify all course requirements for Navy Marine programs. A copy of the checklist can be found on the Navy ROTC website in the General Information area of the Current Students section. Students in the Navy Scholarship Program are required to complete Math 141, 142 by the end of their sophomore year, and Physics 211 in Lab and 212 in Lab by end of their junior year. Students in the Navy College Program, non-scholarship, must take 2 semesters of Math 111 or higher by the end of their junior year, and 2 physical science courses by the end of their senior year. Most college program students take Math 141 or 142 to be eligible for other 3- and 2-year Navy scholarships. Note: the required calculus and physics courses must be taken at USC. If a student previously earned credit for these courses, at least one in the series or higher must be taken at USC. For example, if a student earned AP credit for Math 141, then Math 142 must be taken at USC. If the student earned AP credit for Math 41 and Math 142, then the student would have to either take Math 142 or Math 241 at USC to meet the Navy scholarship requirement. It is recommended that students complete both Math 141 and 142 and Physics 211 with Lab and 212 with Lab prior to the end of their sophomore year, and that they are completed in conjunction with one another, as the calculus material in Math 41 or 142 complements both physics courses. If there are issues with this, students should be referred to discuss with their respective naval science instructor. Students in the Marine program have fewer Navy and academic course requirements than the Navy program option. Refer to the checklist for Marine program course requirements. Summer courses. Navy ROT scholarship students are required to participate in summer trainings. This can make it difficult to take summer courses. Students who need to take summer courses should discuss options with their Navy ROTC advisor. Non-scholarship students have fewer summer commitments for the Navy and have more freedom to complete summer courses. Please move forward to the next video in this section.